Brazil, officially the Federative Republic of Brazil, is the second largest country in both South America and Latin America. It covers an area with a population of now about 211 million. Brazil is famous for its iconic Carnival festival and its talented soccer players like Pelé and Neymar. Brazil is also known for its tropical beaches, executive waterfalls, and the Amazon rainforest. Brazil is a federal republic with a president of National Congress and judiciary. From 1888 until recently, country struggled with democracy, but in 1895, the military government was peacefully removed. By the 1995 Brazil's politics and economy had become fairly stable. It is a newly industrialized country with the largest share of global wealth in Latin America. Brazil's economy is the world's 13th largest by nominal GDP and the 8th largest by PPP. It is one of the world's major basketballs, being the largest producer of coffee for the last 150 years. And here are the top places to visit in Brazil. Number 1. Rio de Janeiro. Rio de Janeiro is a huge seaside city in Brazil famed for its Copacabana and Ipanema beaches. 38 meters crest, the reindeer statues stop atop Mount Corcovado and Sugarloaf Mountain, a granite peak. With cable cars to the summit, the city is known for its sprawling favelas. Rio de Janeiro is one of the most beautiful cities in the southern hemisphere and is known for its natural settings, Carnival, Samba Bossa Nova, and Balneário beaches such as the Para and Lebanon. I totally can see why so many people are in love with Rio de Janeiro and how the city got its title of one of the most beautiful and worth visiting places in the world. It has everything that a tourist visits for: breathtaking views, interesting backgrounds, iconic beaches, rich culture, and fine cuisine. Number 2. Sao Paulo. Sao Paulo, Brazil's vibrant financial center, is among the world's most popular cities in numerous cultural institutions and a rich architectural tradition. The iconic buildings range from its neo-Gothic cathedral and the 1929 Martellini skyscraper to modernist architect Oscar Curvi Edifo Copin. The colonial-style Arte de Collegio Church arts where the Jesuit priests founded the city in 1554. The city, which is also globally known as Sampa de Tarragona, is known for its unreliable weather, the size of its helicopter fleets, its architecture, gastronomy, severe traffic congestion, and skyscrapers. Sao Paulo was one of the host cities of 1950 and 2014 FIFA World Cup. The city boasts a rich food culture from all over the world thanks to its diverse population. Sao Paulo has the largest Japanese population outside of Japan, so it's easy to find yourself some good food or sushi sami. The neighborhood of Liberated, where you were heard as it's almost like being in Japan. Number 3. Brasilia. Brasilia, inaugurated as Brazil's capital in 1960, a planned city distinguished by its white modern architecture, chiefly designed by Oscar Niemeyer. Brasilia City, federal capital of Brazil because of its unique planned city and architecture as well as unprecedented role in development of the Brazilian interior. The city was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1897, area federal district 2240 square miles. By many measures, Brasilia, the capital city of Brazil, is a miracle. But just as many as measures, Brasilia is failing to embody its original ambition as a progressive city that would guarantee a good quality of life to its residents. Brasilia is known for its glorious 9-yard buildings, which is Brasilia a blessed place for architectural churches and temples and memorials. Number 4. Salvador. Salvador, the capital of Brazil's northeastern state of Bahia, is known for the Portuguese colonial architecture, Afro-Brazilian culture, and tropical coastline. The Delrin neighborhood is its historical heart with its cobblestone athletes opening onto the large spaces, colorful buildings, and Baroque churches such as San Francisco featuring gilt woodwork. The city is noted for its cuisine, music, dance, and architecture. Porto da Barra Beach in Barras has named as one of the best beaches in the world. In Paraças, Ariane Fonte Nova was the site of the city games during the 2014 Brazilian World Cup Confederations. Salvador is home of the Banho culture, beautiful beaches, and colorful buildings. If you're planning a trip to Brazil, make sure you leave a few days to explore this wonderful city and the places surrounding it. However, Salvador is not considered to be a safe place to travel even by the Brazilians who live here. Number 5. Santos. Santos, a coastal city in southern Brazil, Sao Paulo state, is a major seaport stretching from the mainland to São Vicente Island. The island's urban center borders the Bay of Santos, known for its white beaches and adjacent 5.3 kilometers long garden. The unique cemetery, known as the Memorial Micrope Elencia and located in the dead of Santos, naturally is the Guinness Book of World Records as the globe's tallest tutorial palace and also qualifies as one of the most unique tourist stops in the world.